Welcome. We will see how to create a drop-down list in Excel. We will use two questions to see it is to create a drop-down menu, and we will be able to use these steps to create a list with any data. First, we will look at how to create a drop-down list with options. We can use a drop-down item here or the seasons. Those will be answers to our first question. We will see a short drop-down list to travel with yes and no. Those will be answers to our second question. Let's start. The answer to the first question will be the name of favorite season. But how to create a drop-down list in Excel. So, if we want to make a drop-down menu with more options, this might be a good idea for you. For example, we have created a different spreadsheet, added name as season and made a list of seasons. It will be used in our drop-down menu. Now we will back to the spreadsheet questionnaire and create our first drop-down list. Click into the cell which we want to create the drop-down menu. Then click on the Data tab, go to Data Tools and select the option Data Validation. Under Settings in the pop-up window, select List from the menu. Now, we tell to Excel where is the data for the drop-down list. Click on the icon on the right of the Seasons box. Here we will click through to the spreadsheet seasons and select all season we want to include in the list. Now press Enter key and we have defined the contents of drop-down list. Click on OK button and we have done. The column with our answer now contains a drop-down list from which we can choose our favorite seasons. The list we have created can be picked only from the options we have defined. Well, let's see how to create a short drop-down menu made of only two options. How to create a short drop-down list in Excel. We will focus on the second question, where, in the part your answer, there will be just yes or no. The first step will be selecting the cell in which we want to create the drop-down list. We will click on the Data tab, go to Data Tools and select Data Validation. Select the List option. Then we will just type into the box two words, yes and no, separated with a comma. Now, click on OK button and our work is done. The simple drop-down list has been created. The column with our answer now contains a drop-down list from which we can choose yes and no. In this way you can create different types of drop-down lists in Excel. Would you like to know more interesting information? In this channel you will find interesting facts. If you like this video, visit to this channel and type the comment in comment section. So, if you found that this tutorial helpful, do like and subscribe. Watch other tutorials by IQIT Krishnendu channel. To learn how to use application software in a quick and easy way, then visit this channel. Thanks for watching.